Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do Identities exercise 12b. Page number 160, question 10. If a plus b plus c is equal to 10 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 38, find ab plus bc plus ca. So here we've been given this, and when we are asked to find this, we have to think of the formula which will include this also in it to help us find. And the formula we can use is this, where we can say a plus b plus c the whole square will give us a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. So we have ab plus bc and ca here. So to find this, we can apply this formula. So let's substitute wherever we can. So here a plus b plus c is already given to us as 10. So let's write, instead of a plus b plus c, we're going to write 10, and it is square. So we write 10 square. Similarly here, a square plus b square plus c square is also given to us as 38. So we can write 38 here plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we have to only find one of each. Here 2 is given. We have to find only one AB plus one BC plus one CA as asked in the question. So now let's continue and simplify. 10 square means 10 into 10, which is 100. This is equal to 38 plus. Now what is common to all these three? The number 2 is common, isn't it? So let's take 2 out. It's common. Here there is 2AB, here there is 2BC, here there is 2CA. So I'm taking it out and then putting the rest of it in brackets, AB plus BC plus CA. Now to find 2 into AB plus BC plus CA, what should we do? On the other side of the equal to sign, we have 100, which we are going to write here, and we are going to move 38 towards 100. So since it's plus, when it goes there, it becomes minus. So it becomes minus 38. So 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 62. This is the value of 2 into all these, which will give us 62. Now we need to find only this. So we're going to remove 2 from here and take it to the other side. Here it is multiplication. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So this is equal to AB plus BC plus CA, which is equal to 62 divided by 2. 62 divided by 2 is 31. So we have found the value of AB plus BC plus CA, and that is 31. So this is our answer here, 31. Question 11. Find a square plus b square plus c square. So here we have to find this. So this is what we need to find out. But what is given to us? A plus b plus c is given, and ab plus bc plus ca is also given. So again we can apply this formula. That is, a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. This is what we need to find out. Okay, so let's substitute wherever we can. Now a plus b plus c is given to us. That is 9. So here let's write 9 and square of 9. Now here what we need to find out, we write it as it is. And here, as you can see, 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Here we are given only one of each, which is equal to 24. So here we can write this as 2, because 2 is common to all, ab plus bc plus ca. Now let's simplify it further. 9 square, 9 nines are 81, is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into. Now AB plus BC plus CA is already given to us as 24. So 2 into 24. Again, 81 is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into 24 is 48. Now we need to find only A square plus B square plus C square. So what are we going to do? We're going to write on the other side, what do we have? We have 81. We're going to write 81. And This 48 which was with this, I'm going to take it away from here and put it on the other side. Since it is plus, it will now become minus 48. So we can find the value of a square plus b square plus c square just by minusing 81 and 48. And that is 33. So we have found our answer. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 33. Question 12. Find a plus b plus c if a square plus b square plus c square is 83 and ab plus bc plus c is 71. Again, we can apply this formula. So here what we are going to do is, this is what we need to find out, and that is on the left hand side. So we are going to leave that as it is. Okay, so this will remain as it is. That is, a plus b plus c is what we need to find out. But in the formula, we have it as square. Now look at this. A square plus b square plus c square, the value of that is given to us in the question as 83. So let's substitute and write 83 plus. Now here also 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. I'm going to take out the common number, that is 2, and put the rest inside ab plus bc plus ca. Now let's simplify this. So this is a plus b plus c the whole square. This is equal to 83 plus 2. Now look at this one here. AB plus BC plus CA is already given to us. The value is 71. So that means 2 into 71. So now continue. A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to 83 plus 2 into 71 is 142. So now let's add that up and get this. A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to, after adding you get 225. So now we can find the value of just A plus B plus C. Now since it is the square here, when it goes to the other side it becomes square root. So the square root of 225. What is the number which when you multiply twice gives you 225? That is 15. 15 into 15 is 225. So we have found the value of A plus B plus C, and that is 15. So this is our answer. Now we know that 15 into 15 will give us 225. We also know that minus 15 into minus 15 will give us 225. How is that? Minus into minus is plus, and 15 into 15 is 225. So in our final answer, we need to say that A plus B plus C is equal to plus or minus 15. Question 13. If a plus b is equal to 6 and ab is equal to 8, find a cube plus b cube. So apply the formula for a cube plus b cube, and that is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Let's simplify this. Now here a plus b the whole cube is already given to us. A plus b is 6. So that means 6 cube. 6 cube is equal to a cube plus b cube. This is what we are going to find. Plus 3 into ab into a plus b. I've just expanded this portion. I've expanded this portion here, and 3ab I've written it as 3 into ab into a plus b. Let's substitute. So here first of all 6 to the power of 3. 6 are 36. 36 into 6 is 216. Now this is what we need to find out. So we are leaving it as it is. So a cube plus b cube. Now let's simplify all this by substituting 3 into. Now ab is given to us in the question as 8, and ab is also, a plus b is also given as 6 into 6. So we have to simplify this in the next step. So this will be 216 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 8s are 24. 24 into 6 is 144. So now we need to find a cube plus b cube, isn't it? We need to find only this. So that I'm writing on the left hand side, a cube plus b cube Now, what is on the equal to other side of equal to sign? 216. So let's write 216. Now I'm going to transpose this 144 to the other side of the equal to sign. So this becomes minus 144. Then we can say a cube plus b cube is equal to 216 minus 144, which is 72. So this is our answer. Question 14. If a minus b is equal to 3 and ab is equal to 10, find a cube minus b cube. So since we're talking about a cube, let's think of a formula for that. So that will be a minus b the whole cube. Okay, so here a minus b the whole cube, a minus b is already given to us. This is what we need to find out. So that's why we have used this formula. Now let's substitute wherever we can. Now a minus b is given to us in the question as 3. So this is 3 cube is equal to a cube minus b cube. This is what we need to find out. We've been asked to find out this in the question. Apply this formula minus 3ab. Now ab means into ab into a minus b. So let's substitute here. Now 3 raised to the power of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now this is a cube minus b cube, which we need to find out, minus 3 into ab is given to us in the question as 10. So 3 into 10, and a minus b is also given to us in the question as 3. So let's work this out. So this is 27 is equal to a cube minus b cube minus, now 3 into 10, we are working this out. 3 into 10 is 30. 30 into 3 is 90 minus 90. So now we need to find out only a cube minus b cube. So I'm going to bring it to the left hand side. So let's write it here. A cube minus b cube is equal to, on the other side of the equal to sign we have 27. So let's write 27 there. 27, and we're going to move this minus 90 to the other side. It will become plus 90. So now we have found the value of a cube minus b cube, and that is 27 plus 90, which is 117. So we have got our answer 117. Question 15. Here find a cube plus 1 by a cube. Since we have the cube there, let's use that formula. So the formula is a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So according to what is given to us, what is a? A is simply a itself. So let's write it here. A is a itself. And what is b? B is the second term, which is 1 by a. So b is 1 by a. So keep that in mind. Now let's open this. A plus b the whole cubed means a plus 1 by a, because b is 1 by a, the whole cube. This is equal to a cube. A is the same. B cubed is 1 by a, and cube of that. 1 cube is 1 only, so 1 by a, plus 3ab. That means 3 into a into b, and b is 1 by a, and in brackets a plus b, which is 1 by a. So let's go through this carefully. So this is a plus 1 by a, the whole cube. So what is a plus 1 by a? It's given to us already in the question as 5. So here we can write 5 cube. This is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube. This is what we've been asked to find. So this we will leave it as it is. So let's write a cube plus 1 by a cube. This remains the same, plus. Now let's look at this part here. 3 into a into 1 by a. So a and a will get cancelled. So this gets cancelled. So here we have only 3 into, now in brackets we have a plus 1 by a. This is given to us in the question. A plus 1 by a is 5. So we can write 5 here. So next step is 5 cube. How much is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Then here we have a cube plus 1 by a cube, which we are going to find out, plus 3 5s are 15. Now what we need to find out, let's bring it to the left hand side. So that is a cubed plus 1 by a cubed. We've brought it to the left hand side. What is on the other side of the equal to sign? 125. So let's write 125. Then we are going to take this plus 15 to the other side. It becomes minus 15. So now we have our answer. A cubed plus 1 by a cube is equal to 110. So this is our final answer. Next question. Again, here we have a cubed and a cube, but this time it's minus. So let's keep that in mind and apply the right formula. So the formula is a minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So everything is minus here. So again, in this case, what is a? A is a itself. And what is b? B is the second term, which is 1 by a. So wherever we have b, we're going to write 1 by a. So let's begin here and say a minus b the whole cube, that is a minus b is 1 by a. This whole cube is equal to a cube, which is a only, minus b cube, which is 1 by a cube, minus 3ab. That means 3 into a into b. B is what? 1 by a into a minus b, and a is a, b is 1 by a. Now let's substitute wherever we can. So here we have a minus 1 the whole cube. Now what is a minus 1? It's given to us in the question. It is 4. So let's write 4 cube. This is equal to a cube minus 1 by a cube. Now this is what we are going to find out. It's asked in the question. Find a cube minus 1 by a cube. So this we don't know. So we're going to leave this as it is. Let's move to the next side and see what we can cancel. So the minus sign is there. I can cancel a and a. So that becomes 3 into 1 is 3 into, now here in brackets I have a minus 1 by a. Now look at this, a minus 1 by a is given to us in the question. That is 4. So we can write 4 here. So now let's simplify now. 4 cubed, 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. This is equal to a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 fours are 12. So now, since we have to find out a cube minus 1 by a cube, I'm taking it to the left hand side. So here it will be a cube minus 1 by a cube. On the other side, we have 64. Now we are going to move this minus 12 this side, so it becomes plus 12. So a cubed minus 1 by a cube is equal to 76. So this is our answer, 76. Question 17. If 2x minus 1 by 2x is equal to 4, find the first one, 4x square plus 1 by 4x square. So here we are talking about squares. So let's apply the formula for squares. Okay, so that is, we'll apply this formula a minus b, because here it is minus, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in this case, the first term is a and the second term is b. So let's write that down. So a will be 2x and b will be 1 by 2x. So wherever we have a, we're going to write 2x. Wherever we have b, we're going to write 1 by 2x. So let's write that now. A minus b the whole square. That is, a is 2x minus b is 1 by 2x. So this is a minus b, and now they're saying square of this, which is equal to a square. And what is a? A is 2x. Now the whole square plus b square. B is 1 by 2x the whole square minus 2ab. 2 into a, that is 2x, into b, which is 1 by 2x. So now let's work carefully and substitute wherever we can. Now 2x minus 1 by 2x is already given to us. That is 4. Now here 4 square. So let's write that. So that is 4 square is equal to, now let's work this out, 2x square. That means 2 square and x square. 2 2's are 4, and then we have x square. Now similarly here, Now 1 by 2x the whole square. 1 square will be 1 itself. And 2x square will be 2 2s are 4 x square. Minus. Now here let's look at these and see if we can cancel something. I can cancel 2x and 2x. So let's cancel that. Remove 2x and 2x. We have only 2 left. So that is minus 2. So here, this is what we need to find out. See, 4x plus 1 by 4x, this is what we are asked to find out. So that I'm going to keep it as it is. So now let's simplify this. 4 square means 4 fours, that is 16, is equal to 4x square plus 1 by 4x square minus 2. So now, because I need to find this, I'm going to bring this to the left hand side. So that is 4x square plus 1 by 4x square. I have just changed the sides. I have not changed from left hand side to right hand side. I've just rearranged it just to make my work easier. Now on the other side of the equal to sign, we have 16. We leave it as it is. Now the number that we're going to change from side to side is minus 2. Only this we are changing from one side to the other side. So it becomes plus 2. So now we have found the value of 4x square. This is 4x square plus 1 by 4x square is equal to 16 plus 2, which is 18. So we have got our answer 18. Question 17, the second part of this. So here we are asked to find 8x cube minus 1 by 8x cube. So since it is cube, you are going to apply that formula, that is a minus b the whole cube. So this is the formula we're going to apply. Now a is the first term and b is the second term. So that is, let's write that a will be 2x and b will be 1 by 2x. Now wherever you have a, you're going to write 2x. Wherever you have b, you're going to write 1 by 2x. So let's do that. So a minus b. So what is a? 2x. Minus b, that is 1 by 2x. And the cube of this. This is equal to a cube. And what is a? 2x the whole cube minus b cube. And what is b? 1 by 2x the whole cube of this. Minus 3ab, that is 3 into a. What is a? A is 2x into b, which is 1 by 2x, into, in brackets, we have a minus b. A is 2x minus 1 by 2x. So let's simplify this. So here 2x minus 1 by 2x is already given to us, that is 4. So this will be 4 raised to the power of 3. This is equal to 2x raised to the power of 3 means 2 raised to the power of 3 and x raised to the power of 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here what do we get? We have 8x to the power of 3 minus, now here also the whole thing is raised to the power of 3. That means 1 into 1 into 1, which will still be 1. And down we have 2x, which is raised to the power of 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and x is x cube minus. Now here, this part we're going to work out. Let's see if there's something we can cancel. I can cancel 2x and 2x. So let's do that. So cancel these two. So here I just have 3. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 into. Now here 2x minus 1 by 2x. We already know the value. It's there in the question. That is equal to 4. So here we can write 4 into 4. So now let's calculate this. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now here, if you can see, 8x cube minus 1 by 8x cube. This is what we are asked to find. So this will leave it as it is. 8x cube minus 1 by 8x cube. Now here let's work this out. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. 3 4s are 12. Now this is what we need to find out. So we're going to just leave it as it is. That is 8x cube minus 1 by 8x cube. Only that we need to find. Now what is on the other side of the equal to sign? 64. And this we're going to put it along with 64. So minus 64 minus 12 will now become plus 12. So now we can find the value of 8x cubed minus 1 by 8x cubed, which is 64 plus 12, which is 76. So we have our answer 76. Question 18. If 3x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 3, find 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. Since it is x square, we're going to use that formula, a plus b the whole square. So in this case, a will be the first term 3x and b will be the second term 1 by 3x. So a is 3x and b is 1 by 3x. So wherever you have a, put 3x. Wherever you have b, you write 1 by 3x. So let's begin. A plus b, so a is 3x plus b, which is 1 by 3x, the whole square is equal to a square, that is 3x square, plus b square, that is 1 by 3x, this is b, and the whole thing square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into a is 3x, into b is 1 by 3x. Now let's simplify all this. So here 3x plus 1 by 3x, we already have it in the question, it is 3. So let's write, so that is 3. Now square of 3. So this is the next one, 3x square, that is 3 into 3, that is 9, and x into x, that is x square, plus here everything is squared. So 1 square is 1. Then in the denominator 3x square, 3 3s are 9, x into x is x square, plus, now look at this here, if we have to simplify this, 3x and 3x will get cancelled. So let's cancel 3x and 3x. So what is left is 2 into 1, which is 2. So here what do we have? 3 square, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 9x square plus 1 by 9x square plus 2. So here can you see, this is what we have been asked to find in the question. So this we're going to leave it as it is. So this will be 9x square plus 1 by 9x square is equal to, what do we have on the other side? 9, and this 2 we are going to put it along with 9. So it has to move sides. So it will change to minus 2. So now our answer here is 9x square plus 1 by 9x square is equal to 9 minus 2, which is 7. So our final answer here is 7. If 3x plus 1 by 3x is 3, find, this is second part, okay, 27x cubed plus 1 by 27x cubed. So as we know, since it is cube, we are going to apply the cube formula. That is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here a will be the first term, and what is the first term? 3x, and b will be the second term, and the second term is 1 by 3x. So now let's substitute and write a plus b. So that's a is 3x, b is 1 by 3x, the whole cube. Cube of this is equal to a cube, which is 3x is 3x cube plus b cube, that is 1 by 3x, the whole cube, plus 3ab, that is 3 into a into b, which is 1 by 3x, into a plus b. A is 3x plus b is 1 by 3x. So now let's simplify this. So here 3x plus 1 by 3x is given to in the question as 3. So that will be 3 raised to the power of 3. Now this is equal to 3x to the power of 3, that means 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27, and x into the power of 3 is x cubed, plus, so here also everything has to be cubed, so 1 into 1 into 1 will still remain 1, then in the denominator 3x cubed means 3 into 3 into 3, 27 x cubed, 27 x cubed, plus, now let's go to the next part here. 3 into 3x into 1 by 3x. We can cancel the 3x here. So this can be cancelled. So we only have plus 3. So let's write that. So plus 3 into, now look at this one. 3x plus 1 by 3x is given to us. That is equal to 3. So we can put 3 here into 3. Now further simplification, 3 cube, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. That is equal to 27x cube plus 1 by 27x cube plus 3 threes are 9. Now look at this. This is the same as the question here that we are supposed to find out. So this I'm going to leave it here itself. So this will be 27x cube plus 1 by 27x cube. On the other side we have 27. We're going to move this plus 9 to the other side. It becomes minus 9. So here 27x cube plus 1 by 27x cube is equal to 27 minus 9, which is 18. So our final answer here is 18. Question 19. The sum of the squares of two numbers is 13 and their product is 6. Find the sum of the two numbers. Okay. So here let's consider the two numbers to be x and y. And here it says the squares of the two numbers is 13. Squares means the numbers x and y. So x square and the sum y square is equal to 13. This is what is given to us. And it's also saying the product is 6. Product of x and y is xy. X into y, that is 6. Now since we are talking about squares here, let's apply the formula for the squares, that is a plus b the whole square. So in this case, a is the first term, which is x. So a is x and b is y. So let's substitute here and do. So this will be a plus b the whole square means a is x and b is y the whole square is equal to a square, that is x square, plus b square, that is y square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into y, or 2xy. So here x plus y the whole square, we don't know, so we're going to leave it as it is, x plus y the whole square. Now here x square plus y square we already know. So that is 13 and 2 into xy. Xy also we already know is 6. So 2 into 6. So this is x plus y the whole square is equal to 13 plus 2 6's are 12. So x plus y the whole square is 25. Now we have to find only x plus y because the question says find the sum of the two numbers. The two numbers are x and y. Sum means x plus y. That means we have to find the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5 because 5 into 5 is 25. So x plus y is now 5 into 5 is 25. Similarly, minus 5 into minus 5 is also 25 because minus into minus is plus. So in our answer, you must say x plus y is equal to plus or minus 5. So this is our answer. Question 19, the second one. We have to this time find the difference between them. Okay, earlier we found the sum in question 1. Now we have to find the difference between them. So we said let the numbers be x and y, and we also said that the sum of the squares of the two numbers is 13, that is x square plus y square is 13, and the product, that is xy, is 6. This is already given to us in the question. Now we have to find the difference, and because it is square, let's use the formula for a minus b the whole square. And here a will be x and b will be y. So a minus b the whole square, in place of a I'm going to write x, in place of b I'm going to write y. The whole square is a square, which is x square, plus b square, which is y square, minus 2 into a. A is x into b is y. Okay, or xy itself. You can write xy itself. Then here x minus y the whole square, we're going to, since we have to find x minus y, this will remain as it is. Now here x square plus y square, we already know in the question it's given as 13. So let's write 13 here, minus 2 into xy. into x into y. So xy also we know is 6. So into 6. So this will be x minus y the whole square is equal to 13 minus 2 sixes are 12. So x minus y the whole square is 13 minus 12, which is 1. So to find the value of x minus y, we have to say square root of 1. So now what are the numbers that multiply to give you 1? So 1 into 1 is 1. If you have minus 1 into minus 1 is also 1. So we have found the value of x minus y, and that will be plus or minus 1. So this is our final answer. So with this, children, we've come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.